details now of the new COVID cases reported from the city of Mumbai. 2,510, the total number of patients who've tested positive for COVID-19 from the financial capital. That's a big spike. Delhi saw a spike of about 50%. Mumbai 70% in the last 48 hours, but in the last 24 hours itself, getting in the latest details of the numbers going up, 2,510 new COVID-19 cases reported in the financial capital. 251 patients have been discharged in the last 24 hours. One COVID death being reported. Total tests done 51,800. Some of the numbers we're picking up. A recovery rate in Mumbai 97%. Number of COVID cases have risen by 0.1% is what the government claims between 22nd of December and the 28th of December. Doubling rate in Mumbai 682 days. Over 80% rise in the number of cases. Over 80% rise in the total number of COVID-19 cases in the financial capital. That's a big number. We had some sort of an indication coming in earlier. Alisha, even the state government said that they were expecting over 200 cases, but that number is much higher, 2,510. Quick update from you.
Well, Devendra, we know that Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray, who today met BMC Chief Iqbal Chahar over the cases which has been increasing specifically in Mumbai. We know Omicron cases, which is more than 80 cases have been reported from Mumbai, and talking about the COVID cases in the last 24 hours, 2,510 cases have been reported specifically from the city of Mumbai. Now, the BMC has been taking all the protocols and the strict action will be taken against the monitor. They have been issuing all the guidelines to the people, and specifically they have already mentioned that for the coming week, for the New Year celebration, BMC has requested the Mumbaikars to celebrate the New Year at their residence, or if they've already booked the hall, so only 25% of the capacity will be allowed. If anyone found guilty, or if the strict action will be initiated against the violators, because not only the COVID cases but also the Omicron cases has been reported largely in the city of Mumbai.
Okay, that's we just did a quick calculation here on the news desk in Mumbai. That's about 82.28%. 82.28% rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in Mumbai in the last 24 hours itself. Alisha, thank you for joining us with the details.